Welcome to Health Hustle Academy, where we help you get fit, stay strong, and live your best life. Today, I'm revealing 10 absolute easiest ways to burn fat fast. No crazy diets, no extreme workouts, just simple, effective hacks that actually work. Stick around for number 1 because it's a game changer. Don't forget to subscribe and visit HealthHustleAcademy.com for fitness and wellness essentials.
It sounds too simple, but drinking cold water boosts metabolism by up to 30%. Plus, staying hydrated reduces cravings and helps your body burn fat more efficiently. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses a day.
Muscle burns fat, even when you're resting. Strength training increases your metabolism and fat burn 24/7. No gym, no problem. Bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges work too.
You don't have to kill yourself in the gym. Just walk more. A simple 30-minute daily walk can burn over 200 calories and speed up fat loss. Bonus tip, take the stairs, stand more, and stay active throughout the day.
Eating fat to burn fat? Yes! Healthy fats keep you full and help your body burn stored fat. Add avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish to your meals for better fat loss.
Lack of sleep slows metabolism and increases cravings for junk food. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night to maximize fat burning and stay energized.
Fasting helps your body burn fat instead of sugar. Try 16-8 fasting. Fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. This helps control hunger, balance hormones, and supercharge fat loss. Number 4, drink green tea or black coffee. Caffeine and antioxidants in green tea and coffee boost metabolism and fat burn, just don't load them with sugar. A cup before exercise can increase fat burning by 10 to 30%. Eat more protein. Protein keeps you full longer and boosts metabolism by 15 to 30%. Add eggs, chicken, Greek yogurt, or lean beef to your meals for faster fat loss. Do high-intensity interval training or HIIT. HIIT workouts burn fat fast in less time. Just 15 to 20 minutes of HIIT can keep your body burning calories for hours after your workout. Cut back on sugar and processed foods. Sugar is the #1 fat-storing culprit. Cut back on sodas, candy, and processed carbs. Swap them for whole foods like fruits, veggies, and lean proteins. Your body will thank you. These 10 easy fat-burning hacks work. No crazy diets or extreme workouts needed. Which tip will you try first? Drop a comment below. Like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. And don't forget to visit HealthHustleAcademy.com for fitness and wellness essentials.